In this video, we will learn how to make an effective budget to have a better control of our finances. A budget is a fundamental tool to manage our income and expenses in a smart way. So, without further ado, let's get started. Know your income. Identify your monthly income sources, such as your salary, additional income, and any other sources of money you receive on a regular basis. Write down your total monthly income and keep in mind that this amount will be the basis for your budget. Record your expenses. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, both fixed and variable. Include expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, entertainment, debt, etc. Use tools such as mobile apps or spreadsheets to record and categorize your expenses. This will help you have a clear view of how your money is distributed. Prioritize your expenses. Review your expenses and classify them into categories according to their importance and need. For example, basic needs, food, housing, utilities, debt payments and financial obligations, and discretionary expenses, entertainment, non-essential purchases. Allocate a percentage or specific amount of your income to each category, prioritizing basic needs and savings. Set financial goals. Define clear and realistic financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund, paying off debts, saving for a trip, among others. Allocate a portion of your monthly income to each goal and regularly track your progress. This will motivate you to reach your goals and keep track of your expenses. Adjust and review your budget. Regularly review and adjust your budget based on changes in your income, expenses, or financial goals. Analyze your expenses and look for opportunities to reduce unnecessary expenses or identify areas where you can save more money. Track your monthly expenses to assess whether you are sticking to your budget and adjust your habits as needed. Maintain financial discipline. Stick to your budget and avoid impulsive or unnecessary spending. Think before you make purchases and ask yourself if you really need the item or service. Automate your payments and savings by setting up automatic transfers for your bills and savings fund. This will help you keep constant control over your finances. An effective budget is a powerful tool for controlling your finances and achieving your financial goals. By knowing your income, recording your expenses, prioritizing your needs and setting clear goals, you will be on your way to better managing your money. Remember to review and adjust your budget regularly and maintain financial discipline to achieve success in your personal finances. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful financial tips and tools. See you next time.